Alright, happy people, it's your boy IP Lyrics, and in this tutorial today I'm going to be showing you how to rectify this camera problem on the Sony XA. It should actually also work in every Android phone, but we're using the Sony XA in this tutorial, where you have this error notification when you click on the camera. Alright, you must have, before you try this next solution I want to show you, you must have tried other options you must have gotten from other YouTubers, and if that doesn't work, here's the final step. So you go to your Play Store and you search for camera. You can use this HD camera, this is the best so far like I've seen. And when you download it, you install it, and when you click on open, it actually works flawlessly. You see, so that's what I'm talking about. So now let's you can make your videos, you need to allow, and you can do whatever you want to do. And now we need to remove this one from this position, from the home screen, and then we put the new one where that was before. It's easy in it. Take a look at that. Now we can access it whenever we want to. Bless. It's your boy IP Lyrics, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't done so. Have a nice day, y'all. Bang.